All right, we got the Challenger 8-inch bonnet. It's good to go on. Well, you can use them on Cymexes if you got one, but we use them for the car polishers. And we use them because it's hard to get bonnets for the car polishers, and these are good. They're thin. They're not too thin, but they're very good. They're cotton, so they absorb everything. And while we're at it, we got two of these Harbor Freight car polishers. This one here, we actually have a 5-inch pad driver. They don't come with it, but we got one. And see, it'll fit in a 5-inch pad driver, easy.
Now, a lot of people like the 5-inch because it gives you a little more power when you're cleaning.
Yeah.
So some people switch out the 5-inch driver for the 6-inch that comes on these machines for a 5-inch. And I'll put a link for the pad driver, the 5-inch pad driver in the description so you guys can get one if you want to do that.
This is the regular 6-inch one that comes with the Harbor Freight tool. And you can see how clean it is. And believe me, this carpet scrap is dirty.
Yeah, it's left outside.
Oh, it's dirty.
It has been vacuumed and pre-sprayed. But
it's been pre-sprayed, but yeah. Now that's some paint, so that's not coming out. The amazing thing is, this bonnet with cotton is so aggressive, the carpet's, I've sprayed it wet and it's almost dry. And there's what it looks like. You saw it was, that's not dampness, that's dirt. There's not enough dampness to make a difference. It's not really wet.
Of course, the applications here, if you need something to do stairs and upholstery, it'd work great for that. Car detailers would be able to use this on the interiors.
Yeah, seats and floors.
Yeah, and everything. Anything where you need a nice, soft, white, thin pad that's very absorbent. That'd be a good pad.
Well, the thing is, if I picked up that much dirt off this little scrap, what's it going to do on a set of stairs or a landing or something like that?
Yeah, we've got one as a sample. They sell them in 5 and 10 packs. And so what you'd want to do is you'd want to have a bunch of these handy and maybe have a bucket of water. And as they get dirty, throw it in the bucket and let it soak while you get another one started.
Oh, and I'm not joking.
And you can clean them as you go.
I got this wet. I mean, I sprayed it all the way forwards, all the way back with the heavy mist. It's pretty dry.
Yeah. So it's absorbing a lot. I'll put links in the video description. The pads, like I said, 5 packs and 10 packs, however many you think you need. And I'll put the 5-inch driver. I'll stick that in the video description. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And until next time, thanks for watching.
Thank you.